Hey guys, what is going on today? Today I am going to be fishing Yucaipa Regional Park today because the coronavirus is not keeping me home today. It's a little bit cloudy, getting a really late start here today. It's approximately about 10 o'clock right now, so it is supposed to be the kids trout derby, and unfortunately that got canceled today because of the coronavirus. So I'm going to take full advantage of what's going on. Fully stocked the lake today. Hopefully the fish are biting today. We had a bunch of rain this past week, so we'll see what happens. I do expect a pretty good day as always when you come out fishing, but coronavirus is definitely getting me outside. Tired of the mayhem right now, so this is definitely going to be a nice relief stressor to get out and just enjoy the day regardless of weather. Can't wait to start fishing, and let's see what today's going to have in store for us. Let's go check it out. Let's go. And I got Joe over here with me. What's up, Joe? And unfortunately Eddie couldn't make it out here today. Try to get Todd out here. Todd didn't want to come out, so we're gonna see what happens. We're gonna try to catch a bunch of fish. Joe missed one right now. He claims that he caught it, but it's not really a catch because it wasn't at the shore and he didn't touch it. So we're counting that as a we're counting that as a DQ.
Hey Mike, looks like I'm beating you again.
You got one on, dude. You got lucky.
Here, let me get my fly out.
Crazy, man.
Thank you.
So we got Joe. Joe got one fish. All right, so Joe's got one on the board.
No, I got two.
No, he's got one on the board because you can't count a fish that you halfway pull in and count that as a fish.
It was a foot away from the shore.
It was like 10 feet out. Okay, you can't catch fish 10 feet out. You can't count that.
Why don't
you
we
just
ask,
count that.
Why don't we
So-
ask the viewers?
So, if you think a legal fish caught is 20 feet out, let me know. Let me know in the comments below. All right. But my thing is, you have to touch the fish, or at least release it. All right, to make it count as a caught fish. But so we're gonna take a stop over here. We're gonna see what's going on, and we got a few bites right over here somewhere.
Yeah, let's work this area right here.
All right, so let's take a look. Let's see what's going on.
Oh, the water's more clear. Right here.
All right, guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button. Comment below. Let me know what you think. All right, let's get back to fishing right now. Let's go. It's okay, dude. It's up. Yeah, the line's behind you.
What you got on the woolly booger?
No, it's a balance leech.
Oh, it's a leech. Okay.
Yeah, it's one of my new favorites. You guys keeping them?
That's what I need. I need to get a stripping basket, especially for the surf.
No, I'm not gonna grab them. I'm just gonna go. Hey, well, I was gonna.
All right, so it's been kind of a slow day right now, but so we're gonna show you some of the fish that have been caught right now. So we got Victor over here, so I'm gonna walk over here and let me put my rod down. So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna show you what Victor's caught today. Check it out. What's up, Victor? How's it going today, buddy?
It's going good.
All right, how many fish you caught today?
One.
You just got one today?
Yeah.
That's a nice one. What'd you catch?
I'm gonna get 3 today.
You gonna go for 3?
Yeah.
All right, cool, man. What'd you catch them on?
I caught him on
Power bait, son.
What kind of power bait?
we used rainbow.
Rainbow, there it is. Okay. So cloudy day, staying away from the coronavirus. We got Victor that caught 1 fish today. Woohoo! All right. And Victor, what should they be doing on this channel today?
They should be subscribing.
That's right, guys. Make sure you guys subscribe. And what else should they be doing, Victor?
Fishing, buddy.
Like and give it that thumbs up. All right, cool. So, all right, buddy. Well, thanks for sharing your fish, and we'll keep on fishing.
All right, cool.
Kind of a small fish, but it's fun to be out here.
Yeah.
Instead of fighting for toilet paper, so.
Yeah, not fighting for toilet paper today.
Kind of a nice looking fish.
Well, it looks like Joe's got the big stick of the day.
Oh,
'cause- Look, no, you got, no, that's what, how many did that today? 4? 5? Look, we got Joe with the big stick here. Oh, Joe's got 4 or 5. I got 0 right now because I keep recording Joe catching fish. But that's all right. At least we're catching fish. We had to throw him back because he had coronavirus. But just kidding. Fish don't have coronavirus. All right, so here we are, Yucaipa Regional. I gotta get some fish on the board. It's been a tough day for me. I've had a really tough day today. Really bad day. So we're gonna keep fishing. This is the first time Joe's actually ever beat me today. So, but I'm gonna catch a couple right now. So, just gotta keep fishing. That's all it is. Just keep fishing. All right, dude. Got my first fish right now. Fish is on. Got it on the booger. I knew I was gonna get it. Here we go.
What do you got there, Mikey?
Got a nice one on the booger.
Red, let's
Look at
show
that.
it.
Look at
Bring it
that.
up a little bit.
Look at that here, right here, on the booger.
Bring it up so we can see the size. It's a decent one.
Yeah, it ate my hook.
Look at Victor. Victor got another one right now. Check it out. What'd you catch him on, Victor?
Huh?
What'd you get him on?
I caught him on my newest hook that cost $30.
Oh yeah, sweet. All right, so you gonna have fish tacos tonight?
What the heck is that noise?
He's like, ah. Good job, Victor. Catching him on the red zebra midge right now. Bring him up here. It's some action right here.
You didn't want to give up.
Hey, Reno.
You got one? Oh, got that one.
Look at that. Look at that. We got some fish there. That's a good one right there.
Let's grab the line and
That's a clean fish. Is it on?
Oh, is it? Is it
Yeah,
recording?
yeah,
It's
it is.
recording.
It's actually been a good day.
Been a really good day today.
I thought we were gonna get skunked, but it's been non-stop. And he's on 2 over there.
Get him too. Get him.
Yeah, I am.
maybe it is okay if you let him take it.
Yeah.
Come on, fish, come on. Get out of there. Come on.
There we go.
Good job.
There.
You guys can see that. That's how we've been doing it today, guys. Fish among fish among fish.
Up into the dirt.
Right after I just caught my fish, we got the little school going on right now.
This might be a better fish. Oh, he hit the top one. Yeah.
We got Joe over here Says he's got a big one on.
Oh, it's huge, man. Holy crap.
Oh yeah, it's a nice one. He's got a good one on. This is probably the best one of the day. Almost as big as mine, but oh, and it got off. What happened, Joe? Why did it get off, Joe? Why did it get off? That's the way fishing is, guys. Sometimes it just happens. It's happened a lot to us today, so.
I think it bent my hook.
But we're gonna keep fishing. That rain cloud is coming in. If you guys can see it right there, we're it's getting kind of dark here, but we're gonna keep fishing till closing time. And good day today, guys. Good day.
You guys are buying toilet paper.
Well, everybody's buying toilet paper. We're out here fishing, getting our fishing on. We should be keeping these fish, huh?
Yeah.
We should have kept these fish and then saved them for.
We're not gonna have food in the future.
Yeah. So, but here it is, having a good time. And we're gonna keep fishing, guys. All right, guys, well, that is gonna wrap it up today. We had a great day today. Joe, how many did you catch?
I caught 13 fish and I probably lost, I don't know, 6.
At least. I caught about 4, missed about 4. So again, it was just kind of one of those days. Zebra midges seemed to work pretty good. I caught a few on the woolly bugger today. Great day today. We are getting some clouds though.
We thought we were gonna get skunked.
Yeah, we did think we were gonna get skunked. But you know what? It was better to get outside, get away from all the mayhem that's out there right now. So didn't have to hear about coronavirus all day. So that was nice. Also, we met some great people. So hope you guys like the footage for that as well. And as always, make sure you guys click like and subscribe to the channel. Love to have new subscribers always. And until then, everyone, get outside, go outdoors, and enjoy
fishing.
and go fishing.
See, I just got a new truck.
Check out that sticker. Is that cool sticker or what? Alrighty, guys, that's gonna wrap it up. Until next time, see you guys out there. Late.